What's up guys, it's Charbrook again here. It's time for a cassette deck now. This deck is the Sony TC-WR661, as you can see there. Alright, this is a double cassette deck. It has auto reverse, which is a deck B, auto reverse, and also auto reverse on the deck A. DC servo control motor, high density head, and so is this one. It's the tape right there. And this right here we have the Konica. I don't know if you can see here, but that is the Konica XR160. This side, and right here we have BASF Chrome Extra 2. Just 90 minutes. Alright, this is the front of the unit. You power it on right here. You can see here the LEDs light up. The counter reset for deck A, deck A and deck B. This is this one, the A, and this one is the B. And this is the controls for the A. And right here we have the controls for the B. Actually, there is one newer model actually that is more advanced than this one, in which you can because this one doesn't have a headphones jack, you can plug in a headphones jack, and also you can push the out of bias button, which is not here. But anyway, just to give you an idea how it works, you're not going to be hearing anything, of course, but we don't have speakers plugged to this unit yet. But yes, let's go ahead and press play here. It is working. Appears to be working here. VU meters are lightening up. Let's press play. If you press stop here, it will disconnect the power. If you press play on the auto reverse, it will be playing on the opposite side. This one has two capstans actually on both decks. You can fast forward, and you can rewind on both decks. The only difference, let's go ahead and reset the counter here. Just press it once for the A and for the B. The only difference between this is that on the B one, which is meant to be for recording, you have these controls. This is a Dolby NR. Off position, B position, and C position. Normally we use the B, which is better. Well, that's what I read actually. Synchro tubing, A to B. Height normal. Fader is actually when you press fader, you can decrease the recording level, and that will be like your fader, like normal 100, like a 70s song, which will gonna be fade out when it's going to the end of the actual song. So that's how it is made. Yeah, you have the pause, which on this deck we don't have pause. It's moving right now. Then we have rec mute for muting the recording. We have the recording here. We have the, of course, rewind, fast forward, stop, and auto reverse play. This is the recording level. And this light right here is the auto function, which is I don't know what that stands for, the auto function. I believe it's something that gotta be with the remote control, because I can see here there is one infrared diode here, or panel if you wish. But yes, that's the pretty much the tape deck Sony. In order to make a dubbing, you press recording here. You can choose between high speed. Let me check in here if I can set it up. Oh, here it is. You press recording, the light auto starts to flashing, and you select here normal with this button, normal or high speed, and then you press start with the pause. And here. Well, there's something gonna be wrong here. Actually, I don't remember how to do this. Let me check in here, see if we can do this. Oh, here it is. Yes. First, you need to press, if you're gonna be doing a tubing. First you need to press here this button that says synchro tubing. You can choose between high and normal. Let me check in here. That is the high speed and the normal speed. We're gonna do this on high speed just to show you guys how it is. And after you have selected this, you just press pause, and that will be starting. Alright, then you press stop here. That is the high-speed dubbing. And right here, for normal dubbing, you just select normal, and this you press pause, and it will be starting the dubbing. Actually, this is dubbing the B side because it's an auto reverse function right now. It's dubbing the B side on the A side of the cassette here, or the BASF. So pretty much that's it, how to set up the dubbing. I remember now how to do that. You know what, let me show you guys the back of the thing. There is no really interesting here. You got the line in, left and right, and the out line, which is left and right. Pretty much it. Straight to the point. We have here the label, Sony model number TC-WR661 stereo cassette deck, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 10 watts, 18 watts, serial number, listed UL, and the FCC disclaimer, the AC power cord, and pretty much that's it. Really basic, actually I shall say really basic tape deck right here, Sony. It sounds really great actually, but you know, I have better decks actually, the Kenwood for example. It sounds really nice, but actually for dubbing and playing back one cassette, like your old cassettes, and using this machine daily, it's really nice. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys later.